3 packs, 3 locations. Third pack is a 3S battery. I'm flying a 3S battery on a 4S setup. It's gonna sag a bit, not be as juicy, so just so you know, that's why it's like, it seems like there's less power. I don't know if you noticed, but just wanted to share that little detail with you.
This is your first time here. Congratulations. You found a real gem.
Don't lose what you just found. Be sure to, subscribe and flick the bell. Flick it. Just flick it.
Yes! Yes, you better flick that bell. Imagine if you lost me forever.
Oh, how could I go on?
I know, it's true. That's how you all should feel.
Matthew?
It would be a great loss. A great loss, indeed. So, smash that thumbs up. Smash it. Smash it. Don't break your computer or phone, though. You need it to watch more. stuck up in the tree. I don't know if I can climb the tree. Oh man.
Thank you so much.
Well, that was amazing. The dude across the street with his kid, he climbed up the tree and he got it for me. I tossed him a 20. Amazing. That was amazing. See you in the next one, smoochy smoochy. Well, I'll only see you in the next one if you subscribe. And lots of yous aren't subscribed and you don't have the bell flicked. So bloody subscribe and flick the bell.